That's the latest result. Negligence Academy. It's like a constant thing. My truck was damaged over here a few years ago, and NTA did not pay me a cent for what happened to my car. They have no signs, no warnings for these truck drivers, and they keep getting stuck over here. It's like every week now. And this is our result. I'm documenting this so the city and the state will not pretend that they don't know what's going on. This is ridiculous. 4 o'clock in the morning, and they're still disassembling the truck and everything. I saw everything from upstairs. Engels Gutierrez.